Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a simple ways to get rid of your dark knuckles. So sit back and relax and I'll be showing you the simple remedy. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Hammer here. In today's video, as you can see on the title, is how to get rid of your dark knuckles. We all know dark knuckles is a very big deal when it comes to women's skin, and men don't really get bothered about the dark knuckles, but I know we women are so particular about these dark knuckles, and I am here to show you how to get rid of that. So dark knuckles doesn't really occurs when you rub a cream, but actually dark knuckles happens in very different ways. It could happen when you wash your hand regularly with warm water and you don't moisturize your hands after washing your hands. So it tends to get dry, and then obviously you have dark knuckles. Not only cream, and secondly is cream. Majority of the time dark knuckles happens due to the cream you use, you know, like all these bleaching creams. It tends to damage the skin, obviously gives you dark knuckles, and sometimes skin varies. So nevertheless, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get rid of these dark knuckles. Mine actually happened due to the cream I actually bought. The cream actually damaged my skin, really, almost really damaged my skin, and thank God I'm recovering my skin back to normal. Yeah, I'm not just saying it, but I actually had a severe, seriously dark knuckles. I'll show you on the screen, and I've done a video about this dark knuckles, but people tend to doubt me, saying that my hand is not the same as the hand in the thumbnail. And let me make it clear to you guys, it is actually my hand, and I don't know how much I'm going to say it. I have a lot of comments on that video saying it's not the same hand that is on the thumbnail. Let me clear it to you right now. This is my hand. Check it well, and you can see the thumbnail is the same. I was wearing artificial nails on when I had the dark knuckles, and this is my hand now, and it's the same as it is on my thumbnail. So check it out, guys. I'm not just making it up. And that is it now. All cleared. My dark knuckles all cleared. Seriously guys, due to this simple remedy I did. It's actually good to make do a research. Nevertheless, let me not make this video too long, because I know my previous video I did, people complained that I actually talked so much, but I was just trying to explain the reason why I had these dark knuckles. But let's get on to the video. Okay guys, what I've needed for this procedure is a bowl, obviously, aloe vera extract, lemon juice, and most importantly bicarbonate soda. So I start with 1 spoon of it. Aloe vera extract, and then lemon juice. I start by dipping that. And the same thing with that. Okay. So yeah guys, leave it on for 10-15 minutes and do this procedure 3 times a week. 3 times a week. You guys will definitely see the result in the 3rd day, or rather depending the skin, maximum I think 2 weeks. You'll definitely see result. Let me rinse this off and I will show you the next step. Okay, so my hands are all rinsed out now, as you can see, all clean and fresh. So I'll be using my hand cream. Please guys, always make sure you moisturize your skin, especially your where the affected area is. Always make sure you moisturize it. After washing your hands, you moisturize your hands. So okay guys, this is it on this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it is very helpful for you. Try it. It works like magic, guys. I actually tried it myself and it actually worked for me. I'm not just saying maybe because I don't have dark knuckles and I actually did a video. I'm just telling you guys from my experience. I had dark knuckles, extreme one. I don't think nobody has this dark knuckles like I did. I had a severe dark knuckles. So if I can't do it with this procedure, so you can. Skin varies, but make sure you guys actually moisturize your skin, your hands. I think because most people don't moisturize their hands, tends to, has dry hand, and they tend to have dry hands and actually gives you guys dark knuckles. So anytime you wash your hand, guys, please moisturize your hands. It makes your hands dry if you don't moisturize it. So mostly get the hand cream. It is affordable. Get it. Always moisturize your hands. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this video is very helpful, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like my video, comment down below if this really is really helpful for you. Comment down below, and don't forget guys to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Just make sure you hit the notification bell just to alert you when I upload a video. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.